Many people go into poultry farming with big dreams. They see other farmers selling chickens and eggs, and they believe it is an easy way to make quick money. But the truth is, a lot of new poultry farmers fail, not because poultry farming is bad, but because they make common mistakes at the beginning. One major problem is that many beginners think poultry farming is just about feeding birds and waiting for them to grow so they can sell. They believe once they give feed and water, everything else will take care of itself. They don't know that poultry farming is more than that. There are many management practices you must put in place if you want your birds to survive, grow well, and bring profit. In this video, I will explain the most common mistakes new poultry farmers make in a very simple way and how you can avoid them so you don't lose your money. Before we go on, please like this video if you enjoy simple farming explanations, subscribe to the channel for more poultry farming guides, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. One of the first mistakes new poultry farmers make is starting without proper knowledge. Many people buy chicks just because they see others doing it. They don't take time to learn about the type of birds they are buying, their feeding needs, their housing requirements, or common diseases. Poultry farming is practical, but it also requires learning. Even a small lack of knowledge can cause big losses. To avoid this mistake, always learn first. Watch videos, attend trainings, ask experienced farmers questions, and understand the basics before you start. Another common mistake is choosing the wrong breed of birds. Some beginners buy broilers when they actually want long-term income, or they buy layers when they are not patient enough to wait for eggs. Others buy poor quality chicks from unreliable sources because they are cheaper. This often leads to slow growth, high mortality, and low production. To avoid this, always choose the right breed for your goal and buy your chicks from a trusted hatchery or supplier. Poor housing is another serious mistake. Many new farmers underestimate the importance of housing. They keep birds in overcrowded, poorly ventilated pens, thinking it will save money. Unfortunately, this leads to heat stress, disease outbreaks, slow growth, and death. A good poultry house must protect birds from rain, sun, predators, and cold while allowing enough airflow. Even if your budget is small, your housing must be clean, dry, spacious, and well ventilated. Feeding mistakes are also very common. Some farmers underfeed their birds to save money, while others use the wrong type of feed at the wrong stage. Broilers and layers have different feeding needs, and even within the same type of bird, feed changes as they grow. Feeding is not just about pouring feed into feeders. It is about giving the right feed in the right quantity at the right time. To avoid this mistake, follow proper feeding programs and make sure your birds always have access to clean feed and water. Another mistake many beginners make is poor water management. Some people focus only on feed and forget that water is even more important. Birds can survive some hours without feed, but not without water. Dirty water, insufficient water, or hot water can stress birds and reduce performance. Always make sure your birds have clean, cool water at all times, especially during hot weather. Disease control is another area where many new poultry farmers fail. Some people wait until birds start dying before they act. Others ignore vaccination schedules or mix sick birds with healthy ones. Poultry diseases spread very fast, and one sick bird can affect the entire flock. To avoid this, follow vaccination schedules, keep your pen clean, disinfect regularly, and isolate sick birds immediately. Prevention is always cheaper than treatment. Biosecurity is closely related to disease control, yet many beginners ignore it. They allow visitors to enter the poultry house freely. They move from one farm to another without changing clothes or footwear. These habits bring diseases into the farm. Simple practices like foot baths, limiting visitors, and washing hands can save your birds. Biosecurity may look small, but it makes a big difference. Another big mistake is poor record keeping. Many new farmers don't record how much feed they buy, how many birds die, how many eggs are produced, or how much money is spent. Without records, you cannot know if you are making profit or loss. Poultry farming is a business, and every business needs records. Writing things down helps you identify problems early and make better decisions. Marketing mistakes also affect many beginners. Some farmers raise birds without knowing who will buy them. When it's time to sell, they rush and accept very low prices. To avoid this, plan your market before your birds are ready. Know your customers, understand market prices, and build relationships with buyers early. Another mistake is starting too big. Many beginners want to start with hundreds or thousands of birds without experience. When problems come, they become overwhelmed and lose everything. Starting small helps you learn, make mistakes on a smaller scale, and grow with confidence. Poultry farming is not a competition, it is a journey. Lastly, many new poultry farmers give up too quickly. When they face challenges like disease, feed cost, or slow sales, they become discouraged. Poultry farming has challenges just like any other business. What matters is learning from mistakes and improving with time. Now, let me say this clearly. Poultry farming is not just about feeding birds and watching them grow. It is about proper management, planning, patience, and consistency. When you understand this and put the right practices in place, poultry farming can be very rewarding. As we come to the end of this video, I want you to remember that mistakes are part of learning. What matters is avoiding common mistakes that can be prevented with simple knowledge and good management. If you are planning to start poultry farming or you have already started, take these points seriously. They can save you money, stress, and disappointment. If this video helped you understand poultry farming better, please like the video so more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical poultry farming lessons. Share this video with anyone planning to start poultry farming because it might save them from making costly mistakes. I would also love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me what mistake did you make when you started poultry farming. Your comments might help another farmer. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep improving, and I wish you great success in your poultry farming journey.